Good morning, Bear Bull traders. This is Thor, and I'm going to do a little recap on my CCL trade, better known as Carnival Corporation. So, we were going through our watch lists in the morning. Carlos, Norm, awesome watch lists. As always, guys, make sure that if you haven't already, ring the bell so that you can make sure you're going live with us in the mornings. And also, if you happen to like the video, please hit the like button. So, we're looking at our watch list this morning, and then Norm calls out some CCL news saying that they're about to have a meeting and that there looks to be a little bit of motion in the pre-market. So we were not looking at all. And if you look at my 5-minute chart here, you can see we really weren't looking at CCL at all. So as Norm was talking about the movement in the market and we started researching it, you could see it just really started pushing down. It was low volume for sure, but it really woke up really good pre-market in 15 minutes prior to the market opening. So there's a strategy that we've been using in the chat room, Brian's Rising Devil, as we call it, and I thought this was going to be a great stock for that. And basically what you do is in the pre-market, you want to wait to see which direction the stock's going to go, and this is a tape reading strategy. So you wait to see what the stock's going to do, which direction it picks, and then you keep your eye on the tape, and when the tape gives you a good inclination of what's going on, that's when you pick your decision on what's going to happen. So in the Rising Devil, what happens is the stock opened up, and it actually pushed down a little bit, and then it pulled right back up and got all the way up to 45.72, and it started teetering here at 45.72. So this is the level that I was really looking at, waiting to initiate this. Now, this is a quick strategy. You only have about 20 or 30 seconds sometimes to make up your mind on this one. So I'm just watching it, waiting to see what's going to happen, and then the ribbon woke up and told me what to do. So a lot of people talk about my two ribbons, and I'm going to give just a quick intro on what my ribbons are doing here. So my top ribbon here is giving me every single order that comes across. My bottom one is only giving me the high ones. Now, why this is important is this ribbon alone can be really deceptive. You'll see a ton of green flashing across this ribbon, and it'll make you think, wow, the stock's really strong. Look at all this green. I gotta go. But what you didn't realize is there was 5 or 6 massive red orders, and all of this green is just being generated by these massive red orders. So when I looked, I saw all the green start to flash, but I noticed 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these big red orders start coming through. So I went ahead and I took my short. I went short a couple hundred shares. So my risk was just the break of the high. So you're talking about a 10-cent risk with only a couple hundred shares. I'm risking at most $20. And then within the next, 5 minutes or less, I had already moved from my entry of $45.60 all the way down to $44. Quite a move. I ended up getting out a big chunk here all the way down at $43.50. I have one order sitting out for an all-out. I'm sorry, this is $43.60. I have an all-out setting at 43 even to see if it drops all the way down to $43 today. If not, it stops out if I get above $44.61. I actually picked that because of this level here, and if it broke through VWAP, all these averages, I was done with it. Either way, I'm over my profit target today on the old Brian's Rising Devil. One and done for me today. And looks like we're actually showing some weakness, so it might get back down to that profit target after all. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope you're all green as well. Have a good one.